Hey guys, I am Ben from StackSound, and this is a quick tutorial on how to automate third-party plugin parameters in FL Studio. Once you have the plugin open, in this case I'm using our free plugin Sapphire Guitar Essential, you have to click on this arrow and select Browse Parameters. You will see all the available automatable parameters that the plugin has. For example, if I select Filter Cutoff and move it, it will also move in the plugin. To create the automation, right-click and create automation clip. And that's all. See you next time.